Guys had Amprius earnings today. I'm not in Amprius, but people on X really like them. And they're on a high doing, man, oh man, what the? I'm in KULR. The only reason I watch Amprius is because they're in KULR, which sucks. Why didn't I just do, whatever, okay. Okay, the stock is down after. 7% only on first sight, a lot to like. Huge backlog, 500 million. They're collaborating with KULR on that one battery. So I actually, more than that, I do other videos. The huge win. Company's current quarterly revenue is around 28.5 million. Of 500 million in new orders from the U.S. military provides massive long-term visibility. Market expansion. China's light electric vehicle market. Amprius has historically been an aviation drone battery company, winning a $21 million order in China for scooters and motorcycles. That's crazy. How are we not friends with China if China is getting our tech? I just don't get it. I think we're friends. We're definitely frenemies. The asset-light strategy, contract manufacturing instead, spending to build their own massive factories, which they killed battery startup. Amprius partnered in a company like Standard Energy. Operational efficiency, existing Colorado. Company terminates lease in Burbank, Colorado. Shift focus back to its main hub in Fremont. Manufacturing partners. Well, anyways, that is. See, I would worry about China stuff. Because China can use that against us, but maybe China doesn't, and maybe China just makes sound choices and gets the best tech. That's a really good sign that they were chosen in China, honestly, because I don't know, but they are on a high, but it looks like they had a little bit of, they're having a sell-off, but this would be good earnings for Amprius and their connection with KULR. See this, the 21 million order for the cylindrical cells for a new premier electric customer in China. That's a big deal. That is important for ampx people. Trusting China. So you have, this is what they do with KULR. Selected Amprius, a pivotal battery pack preference design project, integrating KULR Run solutions, advanced energy management, Amprius's high energy silicon anode pouch cells to deliver thermal runway battery pack level, meeting of all the qualifications. Well, not all of them, those two. KULR One Air Kia launch, Key 1A product launch, where it got commercially real. This strategic partnership with Molicel and Amprius, its new KULR One K1 product, a family of advanced battery system purpose-built for the rapidly expanding unmanned aircraft systems market. The Key 1A integrates KULR's thermal management technologies with Amprius's ultra-high density Sycor cylinder. So if these, why did Michael Moe have to go and buy all this stupid Bitcoin? Why did he have to do it? I just don't know. It makes me so mad. Anyways, thermal safety, pack level. Neither can sell the complete solution without the other. Amprius brings the 500 mega H kg energy density. KULR brings the thermal runway. This, okay. So if we're looking at what ampx is saying they have, KULR received the initial, totaling nearly 1 million U.S. Department of Defense technology drones for military use, exceeding 5 million to be filled. The order specifically for KULR One, those K1 packs contain Amprius. K1 KULR ships directly and put the order on Amprius. KULR is targeting massive reduction scale. KULR has 20 active KULR One air customer engagement across land, maritime applications, targeting output of around 10,000 drone packs per month. At 10,000 packs each, containing Amprius cells, the cell volume becomes meaningful relative to Amprius's current revenue base. See? It's the Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin at? So, for the Bitcoin's making a comeback, I think. Look at it. Worth nothing. Backed by who? Maybe started by Epstein. Whatever. Let's not pay attention to any of that. And guidance validates. So, lifting your guidance 130 million, specifically expanded U.S. defense visibility, means the Key 1A is not a risk of shortage. KULR's production map doesn't get choked up at the cell level. And this is a KULR signal too, because KULR's defense drones, they can't use, why would they use our drone batteries? China's not going to buy our drone batteries. That is for sure. And the part quietly entrapped, unappreciated, I agree. Have they said thank you once? Battery platform revenue for KULR, which includes product sales, contract services tied to KULR One. Did they even say anything about them? KULR reported a 2025 of 16.1 million increase year over year. This is what we want. Of course KULR is a riskier too. Claude, you idiot. It's at freaking $3. 284. 284. Why do I do this? After all of these, I'm turning a new leaf. I've turned a new leaf. I have turned a new leaf because you have my OPTT, which will do it, my default, which diluted to a terrible, but tokenizing assets on real world assets on the NYSE is coming up 24/7, and that is default. And then Humusite, they'll be back. They are going to do it. One day we'll wake up and Humusite will be through the roof. But anyways, KULR is the other one. But I got into KULR at 35 cents, so it's been a long road. I think that this is a really good sign for KULR, honestly. Amprius' earnings is a really good sign. And then Bitcoin coming back, that, I got a little more. Okay. So I think that KULR can do it based on the fact that they're doing this stuff with Amprius. The riskier too. 69.1 million on the 16.2 in revenue. Negative 382. The Bitcoin strategy has been a disaster. Okay? But this is promising. A small piece though. Heavy overhead. If they can hit the 10,000 drone packs a month and the K1A revenue could approach exceed the entire 2025 revenue, Amprius cell relationship becomes a structural moat. A defense-qualified battery pack that competes on high energy density and thermal safety. See, this Amprius thing with KULR, I feel like is a big deal. Because Amprius, this is the second earnings in a row that they looked really, really good. And obviously we see how well they're doing. They're up a lot. So if Bitcoin can come up, which maybe it can. I think it can. Everybody loves Bitcoin for some reason. I don't know. But I just think KULR can do it now.